Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic every homeowner should know about: homeowners insurance versus home maintenance insurance. Let's start by understanding what each of these insurance types entails. Homeowners insurance is designed to protect you against unexpected events, like fires, theft, or natural disasters. On the other hand, home maintenance insurance focuses on the upkeep and repair of your home's systems and appliances, such as plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. Here's how they compare in terms of coverage. Homeowners insurance covers property damage and loss due to covered perils. It also provides liability coverage in case someone is injured on your property. Home maintenance insurance, however, covers the cost of repairing or replacing essential home systems and appliances when they break down due to normal wear and tear. Now, which one is right for you? Consider these factors when making your decision. 1. Your budget plays a significant role. Home maintenance insurance often involves monthly premiums, while homeowners insurance typically requires an annual payment. 2. The age of your home matters. Older homes may benefit more from home maintenance insurance due to the increased likelihood of system and appliance breakdowns. 3. Your home's location matters too. Areas prone to natural disasters may make homeowners insurance a priority. Narrator, voiceover. Ultimately, many homeowners choose to have both types of insurance to ensure comprehensive protection. Consulting with an insurance expert can help you tailor your coverage to your specific needs. Remember, your home is your most significant investment, so taking the time to understand your insurance options is crucial. That's it for today's video on homeowners insurance versus home maintenance insurance. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on protecting your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.